What is up, everyone? I got off work early today, so I decided to come home, maybe make a video. So yeah, that's my bent wheel. I'm probably gonna just throw that away, but I went and picked up another one, this one right here, for like 25 bucks. This is my old one, and they have like, to be honest, they have like no tread on them, but I'm gonna go burn them up. I bought these two. These are my other extras. My buddy gave them to me. I traded him some tires for him. But the reason I want to burn those off is because I want to try to record with this. My girlfriend got me this for my birthday on June 4th. What a beast. But I'm going to see if I can stick it somewhere and get some clean shots. Dude, you know what's funny? I forgot to grab all the shit out of here when I blew up my tires last Sunday. I've just been driving around with this. That was all just sitting back there. Alright guys, so I got the drift spares on, and I'm thinking this is a pretty cool setup for the GoPro, just to record everything in front of me. But I guess I just gotta do one run and see how it looks. Try again. So I figured I'm gonna try to do a burnout here, try to blow it up. I want to get a cool angle with the GoPro, so I'm just gonna wait here. Let's see if I can set up this GoPro. All right, there we go. Hope you enjoyed that little video with the GoPro. Just wanted to try it out. I know it wasn't really long at all, but didn't want to really do much. These are about to blow up anyway, but I managed to make it home without them blowing up.